It's Taylor back with the squishy review. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna read squishies. That's what's happening. So the first one I'm gonna do, like I got these from Amazon Prime. I'm gonna do this little guy. It's like a piece of bread. Squeeze it. Oh my gosh. It's like not so risey, but it's like really squishy. Like it's kind of slow risey. Okay. Smells really good. Here's this one. I've been squishing it so the paint kind of came off. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's so spicy. Oh my god, it's a little hard. The reason why they're unwrapped right now is because I already did one. It didn't come out well, so there you go. Oh, nice texture and nice, yes, like whatever it's called, shading. See, that's like, it's like kind of slow rise, like you can see the indent. Oh my gosh, it's one of those buns, like, I love my buns, so. It's so slow risey. I love squishies. Okay, I won't do that. It didn't touch my mouth though, it just went like, didn't touch it. So there's that one. It has a cute little face, like I love that face, I don't know why, but, oh, it's not really slow risey, but it's nice, like, it's fun to squish. Okay, yes. Look at how cute that is. Like, but just feeling it, it feels like hard, like, feel that. Oh my gosh, it's like put strength in this, like, sorry about the background. You have to put like strength in this one. It's like, but it's still squishy. Oh my gosh, I love that face. Like, look at that face. Like, look at the face. See, it's like, it's a pretty small size. They're all mini. Look at it. See, it's like a bite out of it. Really slow rising.
They tend not to like us. Like Taylor's is the same thing. Let's do something. Let's get out. Let's move around.
Sorry about the background noise again.
You saw it.
There you go. There's that. It's like orange with like coconut stuff on it. It's like there. It's like, it's kind of surprising. Here, oh my gosh. I want to eat it. Oh, it's not so icy, but it's nice shading. I'll give them credit for that. So, that's it for my squishy package review. Yeah, there's one missing right now. I'm so mad at that. Like, I took it out and there's one missing now. I'm gonna look for that. Gorillas! Stuff like that is so cool. Can't see that. Sir.